Welcome to this new video series from Autodesk. Throughout this series, we'll explore more about FlexSim, a powerful 3D discrete event simulation technology. In this video, we will take a closer look at what it is, explore its simple and intuitive user interface, and highlight its key applications across various industries. FlexSim is a powerful 3D simulation software that helps you see how your real-world processes work before you actually build or change them. Whether it's a factory floor, warehouse, hospital, or airport, FlexSim creates a virtual model so you can test ideas, find problems, and improve performance, saving both time and cost. Let's see a different industry applications where FlexSim is effectively used and made an impact. First, let's start with manufacturing and supply chain. FlexSim helps companies understand how their factories and supply chain really work. You can create a virtual model of your production lines, machines, workers, and inventory. This allows you to test different production plans, identify bottlenecks, reduce delays, and improve output all before making changes in the real world. So when it comes to material handling operations like warehouses and distribution centers, FlexSim can actually simulate conveyors, forklifts, automated guided vehicles, and storage systems. You can see how goods move from one point to another and find where delays or congestion happen. By testing different layouts and strategies virtually, companies can improve flow, reduce handling time, and increase overall efficiency without disrupting daily operations. In the healthcare industry, FlexSim can help model hospitals, clinics, and healthcare facilities to improve patient flow and resource usage. You can simulate patient arrivals, doctor availability, bed capacity, and treatment times. This helps identify long waiting times, overcrowding, or resource shortages. With these insights, hospitals can make better decisions, improve patient experience, and deliver care more efficiently. So, FlexSim applications are not limited to any specific industry vertical. Wherever people flow analysis and simulations are required, FlexSim can do used to study improvement and optimize movement within a space. It can also simulate how people move through different environments such as airports, shopping malls, stadiums, hospitals, or even office buildings. It helps analyze crowd movement, waiting lines, service points, and peak time congestion. By testing different layouts, staffing levels, or schedules in a virtual model, organizations can improve safety, reduce crowding, enhance customer experience, and make better operational decisions all before implementing changes in the real world. In summary, we have seen how FlexSim empowers organizations to design smarter operations across every industry. Its intuitive drag and drop 3D modeling makes simulation accessible to everyone. Its modular approach allows you to build solutions tailored to manufacturing, warehousing, healthcare, and beyond. With its representative 3D and virtual reality capabilities, you can clearly communicate insights and optimize decisions with confidence. Any process, any industry, FlexSim brings it all together in one powerful simulation solution. Thank you for watching.